Welcome to Chaz's Lifestyle. Today we're making crispy fried fish. In a bowl, we're going to add our mixture. I already have mixed together cornmeal, Louisiana fish fry, and cornstarch. I will have all my ingredients listed down below in the description box. Now here I'm adding in a couple spices and herbs. Give that a quick whisk. I'm also going to add in some really good lemon pepper. It doesn't have too much salt to it, and that's what I love. This is going to give it that fresh taste. It's so good. Whisk that in very well. My oil is preheated on 350. Now here I am using tilapia, fresh tilapia. This is my husband's ultimate favorite fish, y'all. You can use catfish, you can use flounder, whiting. I prefer catfish. So here I'm just going to add my fish to my flour and coat it very, very well. You want to pat it in and you want to flip it and keep patting in, shake off the excess. And once you shake off the excess, place it on a wire rack to give the flour time to stick. Now here I'm testing out my oil. Okay, so that piece came out pretty perfect. We like our fish extra crispy. Okay, so usually you can leave your fish in about, depending on how thick it is, 5-6 minutes. We leave it in a little longer because we like it, like I said, extra crispy. Now I'm gonna go ahead and fry the rest of my fish up. Like I said, this recipe is so simple and easy. Make it quick. Have a fish fry. Use some lemon, hot sauce, mustard, and you're all set and ready to go. I paired my fried fish with dirty rice using ground turkey. If you decide to make this, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisines.